2013 shutter guard repair. If you guys run into this issue, running over something in the road or hitting a curb like my girlfriend did, you might see that they are around $400, I think. So you can get anything laying around your garage and repair it like I did. Used a soldering gun to melt and reform. Soldering gun and zip ties to reform and make it look like these ones do right here. So you just need a stud. Mine broke here and here. I just transferred one down from up here, but pretty self-explanatory. Get it locked back in all tabs and then on the motor armature itself right there, and I'll see how she goes.